Hey there crew, it's Mark Fig and I go by MENWHOBULLET here on YouTube as well as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and over on my blog and website, menwhobullet.com. And as you read in that description, today we're going to be taking a look at an item, a full reveal from this June subscription box from Archer and Olive. It's all about Camp A&O this year and we're very excited and they're doing things differently. Between now and when this box releases, you're going to see 7 out of the 9 items that are going to be in this box. No sneak peeks, full reveals. So today we're gonna be taking a look at one of the notebooks in here. There are 2 that are gonna be inside of here. This is going to be the traveler size notebook. Cool color. Let's see what the cover looks like though, because that's always a very exciting part. Ready? I'm gonna look. Ooh, that looks colorful. Yes, indeed. All right, we got a camper on here and a totally different cover on a notebook that we've ever seen before. This here looks like a linen cover, but it has these really cool color specks all around it. Has a really cool, nice look. Never seen anything like this before. Loving the print that's on here with the cool little trailer. This is probably an icon that we will continue to see throughout this box. They just do stuff like this all the time. We can go ahead and open it up and you'll see this has regular white pages, dot grid. There's been a lot of feedback over time with Archer and Olive and saying like, cool, I like these nice products, but like, I can't use a blackout Travelers. It's not for me. So this notebook, totally usable. So like I said, we'll be taking a look at more items throughout the rest of this month up until the 30th. So make sure you continue to head back. And if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. I'll make sure that I alert you when we have it going on. We'll be taking a look at a lot more. And don't forget, you'll be able to buy into the subscription box if you haven't already. And if you already are a subscriber, and you've paused, make sure that you unpause as soon as possible, honestly. I think you're gonna really love this stuff inside of this box. I'll talk to you next time. We'll be sharing more stuff every other day. So I will talk to you then. See ya.